Is your body shop a mess? Unorganized? Are employees running all over trying to figure out the status of repairs? Is all of this chaos wasting time, resources, and affecting your bottom line? Your solution is here. It's the MyShop traffic software. MyShop traffic optimizes your business by tracking cycle time, reducing wasted inventory, increasing productivity, and helps you manage your staff from any location. MyShop traffic maintains up-to-the-minute information about each job by electronically tracking the vehicle during the entire repair process. It tracks and timestamps each step of your repair process with a time clock. Employees work more efficiently, repairs are completed in a timely manner, and there is more money in your bottom line. So avoid the chaos and use MyShop traffic software. You'll enjoy an organized body shop, happy customers, and a profitable business. MyShop traffic. Track it, manage it, profit.